Yeah, hi, I'm Bernie Thompson. I'm the founder of Plugable Technologies and currently the CTO. Yeah, Plugable Technologies is an electronics company that started in 2009. Our goal was to solve compatibility problems, basically help you have products that connect this with that. So one of our most popular product types are laptop docking stations. So as laptops have gotten thinner and lighter and maybe only have one or two small ports on them, you still want to be able to connect those to extra displays or to printers. And so a docking station is this one device that allows you to expand the capabilities of your laptop. As we've looked at selling into new geographies, new countries around the world, there are often challenging tax and regulatory and logistics challenges. So these kinds of tax and regulatory burdens really are daunting, and it's hard sometimes for a small brand to think about expanding around the world to these new Amazon geographies. Remote fulfillment with Amazon really solves these problems in an elegant way, where you really only stock your home country, and then Amazon takes care of shipping individual orders to the customers in a country like Mexico or Canada, and really takes that tax and regulatory and all that paperwork and those registrations, takes all of those burdens off you as a small company. And so we really appreciate that, especially with Mexico. And so when Amazon launched remote fulfillment for Mexico, we were very excited by that, and it still is one of our best geographies and best programs that we're involved with today. And because we didn't have any new paperwork to file with the Mexican government, for example, and we didn't have any new warehouses to stock because the inventory for remote fulfillment with FBA comes right out of our US inventory, listing our products and setting up automated pricing, which is based on our US pricing. And again, the Build International Listings tool handles that automated pricing. That was really all that was needed. And then our products were listed on Amazon Mexico, and it's still our job to market them. We still have to advertise and tell people about our products. But as far as the listing and logistics of getting products to customers, that was all taken care of by Amazon. Having a presence in Mexico and Canada is really important for a brand like us. We've invested an enormous amount into developing each product. And so being able to offer that product to more customers around the world means that we get to leverage that investment in products across a greater amount of sales. And also, not every product is successful everywhere. We often find interesting things where a product that might not be successful in the US is successful in Japan or Mexico or some other country. And so it really gives us both a greater market to reach and a more diversified set of customers and markets to reach, so that we can have a broad product line and give each of those products several chances of success around the world. So we're really excited also to see Amazon expanding to countries like Brazil, and having remote fulfillment with FBA to serve a country like Brazil is really the best and perhaps even only solution for a small brand like ours. Yeah, for any brand that is looking to sell in Mexico or Canada, and I think if you're a brand that has a unique product, you probably should be thinking about that. I would definitely start with remote fulfillment with FBA. It's so easy with just the listings, and Amazon can help with the translation of those listings. And the inventory you already have stocked at FBA in the US, you're able to basically immediately start selling without all the complexities that would otherwise be required if you were to try to sell in Mexico or Canada any other way.